So we have always casted a vote together, just the way we go for our Eid namaz together, or we go for Durga Puja pandal hopping together. In the same way, we have always took vote as a festival of democracy, and we always got ready, wore new clothes, and came for voting. But yes, this year, unfortunately, the vote rather than a festival seems more like a conspiracy happening, because since morning, an umpteen number of our workers have been detained, and then there are CRPF coming and going as if this is a war zone, which is actually intimidating the people here. Because here, if you see in Ward 82, it is always a very peaceful vote. People come, people chat, the neighborhood people, we get a chance to meet each other, we chat, we chill, we eat food together, we have chai together. But this year, the environment, the ambience is more of like a war zone, which is very, very unfortunate.
Inside the booth is also the same.
No, inside the booth it is of course fine, but yeah, I have been hearing since morning people complaining in 77 ward the waiting time is 1.5 hours, because they are purposely doing it slow, making it slow, and people have work. You cannot expect people to stand for 1.5 to 2 hours to cast their vote. In fact, I know somebody who's my neighbor who stays in the apartment beside me. He's a doctor. He stood for 45 minutes, and because he did not have the paper, he was stopped from voting. He again had to come back, which has never happened here in the history of elections. Because if you have your voter ID card and if you have your slip, you can vote. It doesn't necessarily need to be from the election commission, the slip. But yeah, these voters, genuine voters, are being harassed, and we have seen that election commission doing it during SIR, through the whole SIR process, and today also they are doing it. They are mocking democracy, which is very unfortunate. No. So the thing is that I think this year people are so scared of their name being omitted because of SIR. Everybody is coming down to vote. Also, of course, after the first phase of SIR, the people who are dead or who have relocated, their names are changed. So definitely the percentage, because the denominator is now lower, so definitely the percentage of vote is showing high. But of course, those who haven't voted, I always say that independence in any form is much more important than, and our forefathers have given their blood for us to get this democracy. So voting is not only our right, but it is also our duty. And as an Indian, you can have opinion, but if you're writing on social media, but you don't have the time to cast your vote, then your opinion doesn't really matter.
हम हर साल पूरे फैमिली के साथ वोट देते हैं, क्योंकि हमारे बच्चे को भी ये सीखना बहुत जरूरी है, जो हम गणतांत्रिक देश में रहते हैं और वोट देना हमारा पवित्र कर्तव्य है. इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन हमें ये दायित्व दिया है, जो हम अपना देश में जिसको भी चाहे उसके लिए वोट दें. इसलिए हमारे माँ बाप भी बचपन में हमको हाथ पकड़ के ले जाते थे वोट का. जब हमारा पास वोट नहीं था, तब भी हम वोट देके स्कूल में दिखाते थे, देखो हम वोट देके आए. और आज भी मैं अपना नातनी को लेके जाता हूँ, क्योंकि इन लोगों को बचपन से सिखाना है, जो ये एक पूजा का तरह एक पवित्र काम है, जो हर नागरिक को करना चाहिए. मालूम नहीं, हमको एक बीच रात में आके हमको बुलाना करीब 1 बजे रात को. हम थक के सो गए थे, बुलाना, फिर कहना यहाँ पर कोई गंडोगोल नहीं होना चाहिए, होने से आप मुश्किल में पड़ जाइएगा. बीच रात में तो हम उनको पूछा, ये यहाँ पर तो कोई गंडोगोल होता नहीं, कभी नहीं होता. ये तृणमूल का लिए नहीं, जब सीपीएम का टाइम में ये हमारा इस सब एरिया में कोई गंडोगोल नहीं होता वोट में. तो आप यहाँ पर नहीं, आपको बोलना हमारा कर्तव्य था, हम बोल के गए. ए टाइप ऑफ थ्रेट. हम बोला भैया ठीक है, तुम्हारे हाथ में आज बंदूक है, तुम थ्रेट करो. मोदी जी कहा है, अमित शाह जी कहा है, तुम हमें थ्रेट करो. जिस दिन सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट में हम जाएंगे, उस दिन तुम हमको फिर सल्यूट करोगे. इट इज द रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ द इलेक्शन कमीशन टू सी दैट unnecessary delay does not happen. The election commission is paid for that from our taxes money. And thing is that only the big talks and supporting BJP is not the work of the election commission. Free, fair and efficient polling is the duty of election commission, and I think that they have failed to some extent. Because of the 13% deletion in the voter list. 93% vote have happened, and we expect the same percentage or more or less in this phase also. Yes, voters are scared. Voters are scared of this new Gabbar Singh named Mr. Modi, and voters are scared that how the way they are putting up SAR or any other obligation, torturing the people. So they are coming out and voting that we are Indian and please let us vote. This is the present situation of India now. I think that it fits in the reels, not in practical life. In practical life, you are paid, you are a government servant and you are paid by the money of the people. So you have to act as per the law, not by encounter, but by taking the criminal or the alleged to the court. You are bound to do that. Now there is a slow voting complaint everywhere. I went to different polling stations, and the people are standing for 2-3 hours. So they are complaining of very slow polling. This is the actual complaint. And here in Bhawanipur, the overactive OCs and DC South, where any complaint from the BJP, they are over enthused to call or to arrest the political workers. This is going wrong in the way.